Mirror light, slow and bright. It's showing shadows, showing you the life just right. Blending those colors till the look takes flight. Tutorials that shine like stars in the night. Joy and shadow, where beauty meets the vibe.
Hey lovelies, how you all doing? It's good to see you guys again. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Joy Inshedo, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by. I appreciate it. You guys know how we do it here. It's all about beauty, makeup, anything to make you, my ladies, look. That is why I'm here. So to start this tutorial, I already did my skin prep of the camera. And of course, I have a video how I do my skin prep, but I'm going to put it right here for you guys so you can always check it out. For my foundation today, I'll be using this foundation from Adventure Cosmetics. I don't know if you guys can see it. Moving on to putting that foundation on my face, I'll be making use of this, my highlight brush. So I'm going to take this foundation and put on my face. Whew, I look so dark right now because of this hyperpigmentation. This is my perfect shade of foundation. If I want to use it, I don't even mix it or add anything to it. To blend this foundation, I'll be making use of this brush. This is not my regular foundation brush. I don't know where I kept it. So go ahead, and this Adventure foundation is really good. It's not that matte that it will not allow you to blend your work to finish before drying up. No, it will give you time to blend your work. To contour my face, I'll be using this foundation from V Beauty in the shade Ebony. I hope it won't be too dark for me. I already brushed some of it out, so I must use it. This one little bit here. Is it still mixing with the one I have? And then a bit here. I don't want it much. And then side of my nose. I hope it won't dry up before I come back to blend you this. And then bit on my forehead. I'm just using a little of this because I noticed it's too dark. Let me just mix it with this one. I'll be blending with this. So, you see how I blend? You blend upwards. It's like now that my contour is completely blended out, as you guys can see, I will go ahead and do my blush. And for my blush, I'll be using a lip palette for it. So, I'll just take some colors and then add it here. So, let me blend out the blush. I use lip palette, remember? Blended out the blush. We'll go ahead now and put our concealer. To highlight my face, this is the concealer I'll be using from Blossom Cosmetics in the shade Caramel. That's the concealer I'll be using to highlight my face. And I'll just go ahead and put it under my eyes. Go ahead and blend. You shouldn't let it over dry so that you won't end up with harsh lines. Harsh line. It's not like that. Now that every other place has been blended out, I'll just go ahead and blend the under eyes. And I want to use this mini beauty blender to blend my under eyes. Okay, let's see. I hope this beauty blender will blend it well for me. Oof. Can you guys see that coverage? It's mad. Can you guys see that coverage? I'm loving the coverage. So, guys, with that done, I'll just go ahead and set my face, and I'll be doing that with this Mirac setting powder in the shade Ginger is a translucent shade. Okay, I'll pick my setting powder. I'll just go ahead and set. Go ahead and set. Mm-hmm. Where am I dragging my setting powder to? So guys, can you spot the difference between this one and this one? I've set this one, I've not set this one. Can you see the difference? This is what setting powder does for you. You use it to set the liquid product you put on your face. Okay, lovelies, now that I've set the whole of my face using this Mirac setting powder, and as you guys can see, it's giving me a matte finish. That's the work of a setting powder. You use it to set the liquid products you applied on your skin. So I'll just go ahead and use this spray to melt it down before we continue. This one is from Kiss Beauty. I like it. Now that the setting spray has dried, we'll just go ahead and do my brows. And of course, I am not doing my brows on this video because I don't want this video to be excessively long. You guys, I care about you guys, so I'm saving your data. I don't want it to be long. But if you want to know how to do your brows to get a natural looking brows, if you want to know how to do it, how I do my brows, I'll leave the link here for you. I'll be using this eyeshadow primer from Ben 9. I've had it for like since I got it since I started doing makeup. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know. And it just needs little of it, little. If you put it too much, it will break your eyeshadow. Just little. And blend it out. So for my eyeshadow, I'll be starting off with this dark brown. I mean dust off so that I won't have too much of it. It's like I didn't set the concealer I used to highlight my brows because I'm seeing something there. I'll go ahead and soften it with a lighter brown. With a lighter brown, golden shade. My eyelid here. How is it here? Yeah. Can you see different? Okay, so for my waterline, I'll be using this gel liner. I'm done with the lining of the eyes. Sorry, I have to do that off camera because I'm not with a standing mirror, so I needed to bend. That was why. So going in with my mascara. I don't even know the type of lash to use for this look. I use short, long, full, scanty. I don't even know should I use. I finally chose a lash and I put glue on it. So let's fix the lash. I was supposed to do my lips while waiting for this glue to get tacky, but I went to chop suya. So let's do the lash together. You guys know how to do your lash. You take your mirror, place it down, look down, and then from the up, you put your lash. So, and always monitor your lash. Some have shorter and longer. The shorter side is supposed to come here. The longer side at the outer corner of the eyes. Okay? That's how it's done. So, let's do it. So, let's do the lash. So, lovelies, I'm done with the eyelash. So, you guys can see. I chose this scanty one and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. It's nice. So to line my lips, I'll be picking a dark shade from my lip palette. A dark shade from my lip palette. And I don't overline my lips. It doesn't look good on me. I don't do it. So I feel like my lips is big enough. So I don't know why I should overline it so that I will not be looking like $1 or something. No. I thought I was recording when I was adding this color. I didn't know that I wasn't recording. So I went ahead to add a pink shade and I added it everywhere. I smacked. So to pop it the more, I will take a lighter shade. Now I'm going in with this shade. Let's see. Okay. I think I popped the lip a little bit so much. I think I should reduce it. At this point, I think I'm done with the lips. I think it's okay now. The eye is calm, so let the lip pop a bit. Let the lip pop a bit. We'll just go ahead and dust off the excess powders we have here, and I don't want to add too much powder on my face. Contour area, I'm gonna set with a darker shade of powder. A darker shade. Meanwhile, the powder palette I'm using for this is V Beauty. It's V Beauty. V Beauty is one of the best brands they have in Nigeria. Their products are amazing. They have amazing range of products, especially their foundation. I love their foundation. I love their foundation. Powder blush. I'll be using an orange shade. I used pink before. Now I want to add an orange shade to complement the pink I put there before. I don't like using pink after using pink. I love if I use pink at the beginning or pink mixed with red, I'll not finish up with orange with pink again. That's the way I normally mix it. Because when you use pink at the beginning and at the end, you're still using pink. At the end, the face will look so pinkish. So I love to finish up with orange. And I'm using CPD blush palette. That's all for blush. I think that's okay. Wow, the center of my nose, I didn't add any hair. I love the effect it gives anyway. Using a sheet glaze from CM Essentials, their transparent one, that shade Bear. I bought it a long time ago. I think like 2 years ago. It's been long I bought this sheet glaze. Next time I'll be trying that transparent one from MS Cosmetics. So, but this is really nice. I love the way it glows. It glows. I love the way it glows. I think I need a little more powder under my eyes so that it will pop. All these other ones are beginning to overshadow it, and it shouldn't be so. So, can you guys see that? Your girl is looking like a snack, man. Yeah, so I set with this. This is a setting spray. The work is to melt down your makeup so that it will look exactly like skin. I will use this first before using my fixing spray. Let me just go ahead and spray. This will calm your makeup down. It calms the makeup down. I have to be looking at my camera. I was busy admiring myself. I forgot my camera. But let me spray. Don't bring it too close. I think that's okay because I'm actually not going anywhere. Then this is the fixing spray. This is the one that makes your makeup last all day. This one and the likes of this, not only this particular product, but the likes of this, and this is very, very good. I recommend this. I use this any day, anytime with my clients, and I'll be going home knowing that nothing is gonna happen. I love this. So Now that we're done, we've set the face. So let me just go arrange my hair. I'll be right back. So lovely. This is the finished look. Please, if you watch this video up to this point, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and